degrees right now?
It's in my room. I'd say like probably like 50 or 40. Going up quickly now because I turned off my AC.
Yo, welcome back. I had to re-record the video.
Oh yeah, because you know, it picked up Rhythm Bot.
Nice.
Yeah, I picked up rhythm from my mom.
So no more music, I guess, which is pretty sad.
No, I have rhythm bot time. You guys can still listen.
Well, I don't know what to listen to though. Yeah, I hear you.
Try something out real fast. If my voice changes, let me know.
Okay.
Alright, I mean, your voice is low, but I can always just turn up the volume on you, so yeah.
Your voice is low, I can always turn up.
Turn up.
Ah, yes, quality entertainment will work on the video.
Wait, I want to play A10 Warthog Bert.
Please don't.
Yes.
Is there no audio?
Yes! Birds! It's literally just playing birds.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not.
Oh no, what's happening to you? You okay, DM? Help. Don't mind these birds that's being played. Hopefully it doesn't get PTSD.
Yo, if anybody wants to start making an epic War Thunder gaming channel with me,
Yo,
friends to play this game with, it's free. Stick it on the bridge. What? No, I did not want that. Oops. I know what I'm doing, I promise. Oh yeah, you're breaking up so bad.
Yeah.
Is that better?
A little.
Is there anything?
You're still breaking up, but when you come through, you sound pretty good.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Alright. Execute the Puma.
Execute the Puma, what?
In War Thunder.
Oh! Isn't the Puma like almost like the tiger?
No, that's the Panther. The Puma's the armored. The Puma's the German armored car.
Oh.
The only thing they're good for is being annoying and being food for the death fridge.
I need food. Give me food.
Comrade Puma, I demand sustenance.
I demand sustenance.
Tovres Stalin has not fed me for today. I need to get my rations.
Comrade Stalin.
That epic gamer moment when you yeet a Pumas out of existence.
Bro.
Bruh.
Not gonna lie. I only want to play American, what's it called? The American Tree, just to use the Corsair. That's it. Then I'm never gonna play it again.
I see.
Yeah, the Corsair, bro. One of the best looking planes. It got 5 curves. What?
What about the Puma 3 Abrams?
Well, Abrams can suck my balls.
I see.
Yeah. I'd rather T99 or no, what T89? What is it? T98? Fuck, I forgot.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, modern Russian tank.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's T98.
Not T92.
Oh, T92. Wait. What? No, it's about the ones that's like in Battlefield 4 and shit. Yeah, it's the T98. Yeah, I was right.
Yeah, I know. Just fucking around with you.
Oh, okay. I'm like, wait. I thought I forgot my Battlefield for a second, and I was on honestly.
Guys will die by my hand. And I really wish I saw this yak Panzer before it killed me. No, it was the plane that killed me. But like, this freaking Hetzer's just sitting here out in the open, and I wish I saw it. Just easy kills right there. This plane, man, single bullet into the turret.
Oh?
Hello, welcome
Hello, Echo. Are you in a
Oh, you
cave?
guys can hear the echo?
back.
You guys heard a cave?
Reverb.
Whoa! Cave.
Maximum reverb.
Oh, maybe this wasn't a bad idea after.
Are you stuck in a chimney or something? Do you need assistance?
Is there an echo now?
No.
No.
Good. Okay, so it is working.
Epic.
For the D&D campaign, I was like, hey, why not get a voice modifier?
Oh my.
And yeah, a voice modifier.
Say wait, say damn. Just like damn.
Damn!
Oof. Say oof. There we go. Yee.
This appears to be the only voice effect that. Let me try this. Any change?
Oh, yeah, it did. Hello, robot.
Hello? Wow.
Spooky.
Okay, so.
Beep boop, Mr. Roboto.
What does this one sound like?
It sounds like auto-tune.
Good. Okay, but sweet. I have that working. I could get voice mod for.
Yeah, take an object. Oh.
Alright, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Yeah, the struggle is real trying to shoot down as soon as we get. When I post this video, you guys are gonna know the pain. He's playing so slowly too. I don't know how I didn't hit him. What was that? Are you okay? Wild carburetor noises? Alright, so this doesn't mean repeat. I don't think I want to record videos with you anymore.
Why? Wow, my feelings, bro.
I'm kidding. You're like the only person I know that actually has more popularity with this. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, hit that bell, and share it to all your friends, man. I
Aww.
need views and subscribers. Today we reached 4.
Did my audio change at all during that small moment?
Yeah, it did a lot. You know, you had different voices, man. You were cool. You were cool.
What happened?
I'm just testing more things out, and I just disabled voice mod.
I see.
So, in a
You're breaking up. Skittily on
is that better?
You
Hello.
are very quiet now. You are so quiet now. God, wish. Yeah, this is what I call an epic moment.
Oh, my back.
Is that better?
Yeah, you're much better now.
Cool.
Did you know that his machine, Cliffy, it is asshole?
Hello, comrade. Welcome to Soviet Russia. Here, take your Kalashnikov assault rifle in your bottle of 50% vodka. It's good, kid.
50%? What's that heresy? Excuse me. Give me that pure, that pure. Give me something that I want to kill my liver with, please.
Oh, okay, comrade. Speak the Twitter
Dude, I gotta. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta text back, but I gotta fly.
Bro, just fly, man.
Well, I gotta. Okay, so I'm like trying to, you know. Yeah. You know, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, you know. Ah, dude. Okay.
Steal a child.
What? You didn't sound like you.
What?
You didn't sound like you there. You sounded like someone totally different.
I don't think I have audio. Yeah, I've got it on no effects, so I should sound fine.
I see. Then you're just very muffled right now.
And quit it.
Shout out to anybody who says this is 43 square. You can take a lot of punishment, that's for sure.
Is this post trying?
What? What happened?
This post is trying to.
You're breaking up again.
Fuck!
The everyday struggle.
Shoot that down. No, I don't.
Boop. Actually,
Wait.
Too
Radio,
loud.
radio. Oh,
Hello?
it's just loud. Okay, it sounded like a radio. I was gonna say 10-4. Oh, no, wait, no, fuck. No, wait, fuck, I forgot it.
well, I figured out the problem.
What was said problem?
It was going directly to my headphone mic instead of my default mic that I have set.
I wish I had an actual mic. Instead, I've got this crappy headphone on.
Bro, I just used my Xbox headset.
Maybe that's why it sounds crap all the time.
I use my gaming headset, so.
Same.
I have a gaming headset, but its mic is pretty low quality. I ain't gonna lie.
I mean, I could be using my fucking wireless headphones, but those always make me sound like I'm a 1950s radio's host.
I see nothing wrong here.
Look, nothing wrong with sounding like a 1950s radio host, and possibly filming my own, or not filming, but recording my own podcast like that, but...
It sounded like Alice Dark fucking
Oh god, has been.
has been.
I remember that came out, and I was so into it for like a week, and then everyone was like, that spider fuck's kinda sexy, right? And I was like, nope, I'm gone.
I swear.
Don't even talk to Leatherhead about the spider fuck. Yeah, I saw fucking Lindsay posted a video and like, oh hey, what is this shit? And it's like, oh, Has Been Hotel, what is this? Very colorful. I watched it, and then I saw the comments, and then I finished watching the video and never returned to it.
Don't get me wrong, Has Been Hotel is a spectacular feat for an animation.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Same with the other one she did, whatever it's called.
I think it's called like I don't remember. It's something about like.
It's something about little demons, and it's the immediate murder professionals, but I know that's not the name of the skit.
Yeah.
Oh, what's it called? Hell of a job. Hell of a job.
Yeah, hell of a...
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah. And I do remember the one that voices... The one that voices the tiny, dude demon is the same voice actor that voices Invader Zim.
Yeah.
Yeah, him, yeah.
Fantastic voice actor,
It wasn't
I love
Millie.
him.
It wasn't Millie, it was...
Yeah,
Fuck, I forgot.
Moxie, I think.
Yeah, I think it was Moxie.
Named after the beverage that tastes like sausage.
Also, the main dude is voice acted by Brendan Rogers, so you can't go wrong there.
Yeah. You know, honestly, basically all YouTube animations are pretty good.
Yeah.
It's just the YouTube community that makes them terrible.
I mean, it was, what, 3 days after Has Been Hotel was posted where I found the Has Been Brothel subreddit.
Oh,
That's just strictly porn of it.
Oh,
And I was like, yeah, I'm gone.
speaking of porn, Sergeant Mustache gets edited every by stupid things. Rest in pepperoni gamers.
No! Peeps. Peepsaroni.
I was gonna put something on Rhythm Bot. I totally forgot what I was gonna do. You wanna know what you should record for your, YouTube channel, Chris?
What should I record? Our D&D sessions?
No, we should do, like, a Reddit reading video.
Yeah, but there's so many of those already.
I know, but they're still fun.
Yeah, I guess.
But what are we gonna read them on, though?
Basically become Sit House 2.
Exactly. Well, let's see. Let me look through my Reddit real fast to look for ideas on.
Bro, look through fucking r/furry IRL and then immediately the next day. Later gamers, I guess I'm gonna load the 45 now.
We've got... Ooh, that's not...
Trust comments is always good.
Oh, of course.
All right.
Oh, r/aged like milk. Fantastic.
That's a good one.